exercise video, I'm doing a low-impact Tabata workout using the Terra-Core. In Tabata workouts, we work in a 2-to-1 ratio, 20 seconds working and 10 seconds rest. For this workout, we're going to be completing 4 blocks containing 2 exercises each for 8 total rounds. This workout is going to be all low impact, but don't worry, I'll show you the high impact version if you want to do that instead. So grab your Terra-Core, weights, and a mat, and some water, and let's go ahead and get started. First exercise in this block is V-steps. Holding the weights, we're going to raise the arms up and down when we step up. Keep your core engaged and watch your balance. The second move is big marches. You're pumping the arms and keeping the abs tight. If you want to bring this up a notch, do a light jog, or even go higher and do high knee lifts, driving the knees all the way up to the chest. Grab your weights and let's get ready for that first set of V-steps. And let's begin. Step up and down and raise those arms. Remember to keep the core engaged and the back straight. Find a focal point ahead of you, and that'll help with the balance on top of the dome. You're doing a great job. Keep it up. This is it. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. Great job. Place those weights down and get ready for those big marches or jogs. Ready, set, and let's begin. Drive those knees all the way up to the chest and pump the arms. Make sure the heels touch the ground every time as well. I'm showing you the low impact version, but if you want to bring it up a notch, either do a jog or those high knee lifts. This is it. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. Nice work. Okay, set number 2. Pick up the weights again and get ready for those V-steps. Get ready and begin. Step up and down and raise those arms up. If it's too much to hold the weights, feel free to place them down. Another option is to just place your hands on your hips. You're doing so awesome. Keep it up. The second set's almost done. In 3, 2, 1, and stop. Nice work. Okay, 10 seconds goes by really quick. Get ready for those big marches. And begin. Drive the knees all the way up to the chest and pump the arms. Remember, your other option is to do the jog, which I'm going to do for the remainder of this time, or you can do those quick high knee lifts. Keep breathing and make sure those heels are touching the ground. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, we're moving on. Grab those weights. Back to the V-steps. Ready? And begin. Step up and down and bring those arms up nice and strong. This is our third set, and I know the heart rate is definitely getting up there. You got this. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Place the weights down. Back to those marches or jogs. Take one more breath, and let's begin. Drive those knees all the way up while pumping the arms. You know your other options, so do what's best for you. Come on, you're almost there. Don't stop. There's 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good. Final set is here. Pick up those weights and get ready for V-steps. Okay, let's start. Step up and down and make this your best set yet. You're doing amazing. Stick with it. Come on, finish strong. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. Last set coming up, big marches, jogs, or high knee lifts. Ready, set, and begin. Pick what you like to do and finish the set strong. I'm going to go ahead and finish off with a jog. Keep it up, you're almost done. This is it. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, block number 2. First exercise is single arm rows. You can definitely go heavier here, so I'm doubling up the weights. Think about driving the elbow all the way up, keeping the shoulder pulled back. We'll do one side and alternate for each round. And for your breathing, exhale on the way up, inhale when the arm comes down. The second exercise is squats on top of the Terra-Core. Watch your balance, get focused, and then you're going to squat down and up, keeping the weight evenly distributed between the legs. These squats can be a little tricky, so find a focal point and stay with it the entire time. Okay, let's get ready. Double up those weights and place your opposite foot on top of the Terra-Core. Ready, set, and let's row. Keep the core engaged and the back straight. Watch your balance on this as well, and think about pulling the elbow nice and tight towards the body. Don't forget to breathe. Exhale on the row up, inhale on the way down. Your first set is done in 3, 2, 1, and stop. Go ahead and place the weights down and get ready for squats. Take your time and get on top of the Terra-Core. Ready? Let's start. Keep the weight even between both feet and watch your balance. Drop those hips down and then squeeze the glutes on top. You're doing so great. You've got this. Three, 2, 1, and stop. Come on down and grab those weights again. We're getting the other side for the rows. Get into position, and let's start. Exhale, bring the weights up, and inhale to lower. Keep the good form, and like always, watch your balance. You're almost done. You're doing great. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. Weights go down. Back to those squats. Set number 2. Okay, get into position and begin. Squat down and up and take these nice and slow. Remember to keep the core engaged and the back straight. You're doing so awesome. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, we're halfway there. Back to the original side for the rows. Okay, pull the shoulder back and let's start. Another tip for this is to think about pulling that shoulder blade in, really squeezing that upper and mid back. You got this, keep it up. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good. Next round, squats. Get ready for them. And let's start. Squat down and up, squeeze the glutes on top. Keep the great form, you're almost there. All right, this is it. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Final set is coming up, so grab those weights. Get back into position, and let's go. Make this your best set yet. Remember, squeeze those back muscles. You are so strong. Stay with it. This is it. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Awesome work. Final set of squats are coming up. Okay, here we go. Let's begin. Squat down and up. Keep breathing. You've got this. If you haven't lost balance yet, great job. You're doing so amazing. Finish strong in 3, 2, 1, and stop. We're on to the third block. Let's kick it off with stationary lunges with hammer curls to an overhead press. We'll alternate sides with each round, but keep the arms the same. When you're lunging, make sure that front knee does not pass the toe and have your foot in the center of the dome. The second exercise will be a plank hold. There are 2 different versions you can do, either on your knees, keeping the abs tight and squeezing the glutes, or pop up onto your toes for a high plank. Grab your weights and let's get ready for those lunges. Roll the shoulders back, keep the elbows tight, and let's begin. Drop down for the lunge and perform the hammer curl, and then exhale, press those arms up for the shoulder press. Keep the core engaged and the back straight. Also make sure that back knee is dropping down towards the ground. First set is done in 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, place those weights down and let's do the plank. Pick which version you're going to do, and let's begin. Place the elbows down and you're either on your knees or you're up on your toes. I'm going to hold the modified knee plank for this one. Remember to keep the abs tight and squeeze those glutes, and breathe the entire time. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. Second set, let's do those lunges with the other leg. Once in position, roll the shoulders back, and let's start. Just like before, perform the lunge and a hammer curl, and then press the arms overhead. Come on, you've got this. Stay with it. Get one more in. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Place the weights down, and we're back to the planks. When you're ready, place those elbows in the middle of the dome, and start. I'm going to do a high plank for this one, being on the toes. Do a quick body check, squeeze those abs, and tighten those glutes. Keep breathing, you've got this. Finish in 3, 2, 1, and stop. Come back up. We're back to the first side for those lunges. Okay, we're moving pretty fast. And start. Come on, you know what to do. Keep it up. You're almost done with this round. Here it is in 3, 2, 1, and stop. Awesome work. Third set of planks are coming your way. Pick your position and begin your hold. With your gaze down, keep your spine and neck in a neutral position. You're doing so awesome. This is it. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Final set is coming up for those lunges. Grab those weights and get into position. Let's start. Drop down to the lunge, hammer curl, and then press overhead. Keep it up, strong at the end. This is your final set for these lunges. You can probably get about 2 more. And let's stop. Good job. Your plank is going to wrap up block number 2. Ready? Begin. I'm finishing up on the toes, but you do what's best for you. Keep holding, keep breathing. You've got this. Last few seconds. Here's 3, 2, 1, and done. Good job. Made it to your 4th and final block. Let's flip the dome over and do some burpees. Because this is a low impact Tabata workout, I'm doing a modified version of the burpee, stepping the feet out and then stepping into stand. Of course, if you want to do a full burpee, go ahead and add those jumps. Keeping the Terra-Core dome side down, your second exercise is push-ups. Place your hands on the handles and do your push-ups on your knees, or you can take it up onto your toes. Do what's best and most challenging for you. Get ready for those burpees. And begin. Place those hands on the handles, step the feet out into a high plank, and then come back up to stand. Keep those abs tight and squeeze the glutes when you come up. You know your option for the higher intensity version, adding the hops. Keep it up. Get one more in there. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Quickly get into position for those push-ups. Decide if you're doing knees or toes. Ready? Let's start. Bend the elbows and lower the chest all the way down. Think inhale lower and exhale press up. You are so strong, you got this. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. Come right back up and get ready for burpees. Get a quick stretch, and let's start. Drop down and press those legs out and bring them back in. Even though this is low impact, the heart rate is still coming up. You're almost done with your second set. Finish up last one, and stop. Moving on, push-ups. Okay, get into position, place your hands on the handles, knees or toes, and let's start. Lower that chest all the way down and press up. I'm sure your arms are definitely feeling this now. Awesome work, keep it up. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. You're halfway done. Back to burpees. And begin. You know what you have to do. You've come this far. Let's finish the setup. Stick with it. Last few seconds. You're done after this one. And stop. Moving on to push-ups. Ready? Let's begin. Inhale to lower, exhale press up. Remember to keep those abs tight through the entire movement. Can you get 2 more in? Yes, and stop. Your final 2 sets are here. Finish this workout. Ready? And begin. Make these your best burpees yet. I know you're getting tired, but you can do this. Come on, stay with it. Here we go. Last 3, 2, 1, and stop. Awesome work. Let's finish those push-ups. All right, you're in position. And let's start. Can you drop down 1 more inch farther than you did in the last set? Keep it up, you're almost there. I know those arms are shaking, but you can do this. Finish this workout in 3, 2, 1, and stop. Sink back and stretch. Thank you so much for doing this workout. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts. See you next time.